Mastering the GRE, Smart Preparation Strategies. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most essential aspects of the GRE journey: GRE test preparation strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your score, the right strategies can make a world of difference. Let's explore how you can maximize your preparation. Understanding the structure of the GRE is pivotal. Familiarizing yourself with the various sections, verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and analytical writing, can give you a significant edge. Verbal reasoning measures your ability to analyze and evaluate written material, synthesize information, and recognize relationships among words and concepts. Quantitative reasoning tests your problem-solving skills, focusing on basic concepts of arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Analytical writing assesses your critical thinking and analytical writing skills, particularly your ability to articulate complex ideas effectively and clearly. One size does not fit all. Craft a study plan tailored to your needs. Consider these steps. 1. Self-assessment. Take a practice test to understand your current proficiency. 2. Strengths and weaknesses. Focus more on areas that need improvement, but don't neglect your strong points. 3. Consistency is key. Dedicate specific hours daily or weekly. Consistent study yields better results than sporadic cramming. Having the right study material is half the battle won. Official GRE guides. These are released by ETS, the creators of the GRE. They provide authentic questions from past exams. Practice tests. Regularly taking full-length practice tests will not only help you gauge your preparation but also improve your time management skills. Vocabulary building. For the verbal section, expanding your vocabulary is essential. Use flashcards or apps designed for GRE vocab enhancement. The GRE is not just about knowledge. It's about how efficiently you can use that knowledge within the given time. Practice with a timer. This gives you a realistic sense of the pressure. Skip difficult questions initially. Focus on answering the questions you know first, then return to the tougher ones. Review regularly. Make it a habit to review incorrect answers. Understanding where you went wrong will prevent repeat mistakes. Your mind and body's well-being play a significant role in your performance. Diet. Eat a balanced diet. Avoid excessive caffeine or sugar, especially close to the exam date. Exercise. Physical activity, even short walks, can help in relieving stress. Sleep. Ensure you get a good night's sleep, especially the day before the exam. Mindset. Stay positive. Confidence can significantly boost your performance. Preparing for the GRE is a journey, one that requires dedication, the right strategies, and a positive mindset. We hope these strategies set you on the path to GRE success. Remember, every challenge you face in preparation is a step closer to your goal. Happy studying, and best of luck!